snake plant, scientifically known as Sansevieria or Dracaena trifasciata, is a very popular indoor plant because it is easy to grow and requires little maintenance. However, like any plant, it also has some disadvantages. One important drawback is that it can be mildly toxic to pets and small children if ingested. The leaves contain compounds that may cause nausea, vomiting, or irritation. So in homes with curious pets or toddlers, extra care is needed when placing this plant. Another disadvantage is that snake plants are sensitive to overwatering. Many people assume that because it is a hardy plant, it can tolerate any condition. But too much water can quickly lead to root rot. Once root rot sets in, the plant may become soft, yellow, and eventually die. This means that proper drainage and controlled watering are very important for its survival. Snake plants also grow slowly compared to many other indoor plants. If someone is looking for a fast-growing plant to quickly fill up a space or create a lush indoor garden, the snake plant may not meet those expectations. Its slow growth can sometimes disappoint plant lovers who want visible progress in a short time. Finally, although snake plants are known for improving indoor air quality, their impact is limited in normal household conditions. Some people believe they can dramatically purify the air, but in reality, a single plant cannot significantly change indoor air quality. Therefore, while the snake plant is attractive and low maintenance, it is important to understand its limitations before choosing it as a home decoration.